Tips and tricks to end your snoring. Snoring can be an issue for a lot of people. There are many factors that can cause snoring, and finding out the source of yours is also the key to finding the solution. Try some of the ideas presented here in order to not only find out why you snore, but what you can do about it. To stop snoring, one of the first things you might want to try is changing sleeping positions. The force of gravity on your head and neck in a supine position can cause your airway to collapse. You may find it easier to sleep on your side, because it reduces the pressure on your neck, as well as your likelihood of snoring. If your bedmate is a chronic snorer, it may become necessary to make certain adjustments to your schedules. Ask your snoring partner to wait until you have already fallen asleep before coming to bed. This way, you can fall asleep quickly and may have a better chance of waking up being well rested the next day. One way to help keep from snoring is to avoid tranquilizers at bedtime. While tranquilizers might help you sleep faster, they will also relax the muscles that hold your nasal passages fully open. They will contract partially, and air will have a harder time getting through, and you will snore. Facial exercises such as the fish face can help prevent snoring. This sounds very odd when you first hear it, but it makes more sense once you learn that it makes your face and throat muscles stronger. Close your mouth and suck your cheeks in. Move your lips around like a fish would. Perform these exercises a few times each day. Don't let snoring ruin your life. Sleep deprivation for yourself and those who sleep around you is a real problem. It leads to lots of other issues, and you can't be too careful when it comes to your health. Don't just think of snoring as a nuisance you can live with. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.